How are you all? You were all waiting for Dipali ma'am, no? And here I am at your service. Okay, so children, in the last class we had finished chapter number 4, and in today's session we shall be completing the back exercises of lesson number 4, which was operating a computer. सबको समझ आ गया ना? So we are all set to complete the back exercises. So we shall do them today, and followed by the back exercises, there are a few exercises based on chapters 1 till 4. So we shall also try to complete them. Why? Because they are going to be super helpful for you to revise for your unit test exams, है ना? तो वो भी करेंगे और हम अपनी लेसन नंबर 4 की बुक एक्सरसाइजेस भी चले इकट्ठे करें, देखते हैं कौन फर्स्ट आता है. Come, let's follow me. Okay children, so let us start with section A, which asks us to fill in the blanks, and there are hints also which are given below in this pink box. So the first fill up says, to start a computer we need to first switch on the dash supply. कौन सी supply? Power supply. Yes, can you see below? Ma'am has even indexed power as the first fill in the blank answer. Now the second, if the electricity goes off, आप काम कर रहे हैं कंप्यूटर पे and the electricity goes off, the dash makes the computer work. Ma'am had told you the uninterrupted power supply makes the computer work, which is option number 2, the UPS. Can you see down below? UPS makes the computer work. It allows you some time so that you can save your work, है ना? Now the third fill up says to turn off the computer, to shut down the computer. Click on start, power, and third कौन सा बटन प्रेस करेंगे? Shut down. हाँ जी, because हमको shut down करना है कंप्यूटर को. So the answer is shut down. Number 4. Windows is the most popular dash that makes the computer work. Class, Windows is the most popular program. Windows is the most popular program that makes the computer work. Okay. Number 5th. Dash is the first display screen when we switch on a computer. अरे क्या दिखता है हमको सबसे पहले जब हम अपना कंप्यूटर ओपन करते हैं? पहली स्क्रीन इज कॉल्ड डेस्कटॉप. वेरी गुड, माय चिल्ड्रन नो इट ऑल. Nice. Now we are on page number 36 children, which has true or false. The first statement we need to mention whether it's a true or a false statement. The first statement says you can only read the items if the WordPad window is active. अरे ये तो false हुआ. If the WordPad window is active, you can definitely make changes to your text. आपने लिखा है एक सेंटेंस, My name is Dipali. आप उसको चेंज भी कर सकते हो. My name is Dipali Bajaj. So this is a false statement. Second, icons are the background display of the desktop. I agree. ये तो true होना चाहिए. Icons आपको बैकग्राउंड में ही दिखते हैं ना डेस्कटॉप पे. जैसे ही डेस्कटॉप और फर्स्ट स्क्रीन जो अपीयर होती है, that's the desktop. और बैकग्राउंड में क्या दिखता है? Icons. So that's a statement which is true. Third is the title bar is located at the top of the desktop. Top of the desktop पे? ना, there is no title bar. Title bar बच्चा is located at the top of any window we open. For example, आपने WordPad खोला, उसमें जो सबसे ऊपर बार होती है, that is called the title bar, and you can actually see the name of the window, the name of the file in the title bar. Whenever I'll teach you next about saving your file, only then you will understand that the title bar reflects the name of your file. So this is a false statement. Number 4. The first step to start a computer is to switch on the monitor button. Don't laugh. It is false, na? I know that. So put F. The first steps to start a computer is to switch on the power button, right? Good. Okay children, now we come on to the question number C on this page. Match the following. There are two columns. Column A has the terms and column B has an explanation about them or a description of them. So let us match. First is icons. Icons, everybody knows icons are the small pictures on the desktop. Nice. So please match icons with the second option in column B. Second is desktop. Desktop अब हमारे को आ गया. Desktop is the first display screen. Whenever you put on the computer, the first screen that appears is called the desktop. So please match it, desktop, with the last option in column B. Third is bacha taskbar. Taskbar is the thin bar at the bottom of desktop. Please go on to page number 34. Ma'am had explained it to you. Taskbar, can you see there in the first picture? So that is a taskbar. So please match it. Then comes minimize. So for minimize, I told you minimize, maximize and cross button. So minimize is one of the control buttons. I had told you there are 3 control buttons on the extreme right hand side of the file. So we will match it with the control button. Last is beta the title bar. The topmost blue bar of an application is called the title bar. कुछ भी खोला आपने, कोई फाइल खोला है, कोई और विंडो खोली है, the topmost blue bar of that application is called the title bar. Please match it. Okay? Good. So here we complete question C. Okay, now coming on to section B, which asks us to tick the right answer. Let us do this together. First point says, dash makes a computer work when the electricity goes off. What makes the computer work? What gives you an option to save your work until your computer gets stopped? The UPS. कितनी बार कर लिया अभी हमने? So the B answer is the correct answer. Second, dash button on the title bar makes the WordPad window small in size. आपको कुछ काम कर रहे हैं आप अपनी word file पे and now you wish to see something else also. So you want to make your WordPad window small in size. You are going to press the restore down button. The first option is the correct. Third, the thin bar at the bottom of the desktop is called, अभी हमने किया था ऊपर match the following में, taskbar. The thin bar at the bottom of the desktop is called taskbar. Fourth, the first display screen of the Windows 10 is called, अब मैं नहीं बताऊंगी, आप अपने आप करो. अच्छा बता देती हूँ भाई. It is the desktop. So C option is the correct option. आया ना समझ अभी? Exercise करके it shows that we have read the lesson nicely. Now coming on to page number 39, which is a worksheet based on chapters number 1 to 4. We have fill in the blanks. First fill in the blank says that dash is the result given by a computer. Who all remember the IPO cycle? You give input to the computer, the CPU does the processing, and whatever answer the computer gives is the output. है ना? I input, P process, O output. So output is the result given by a computer. Second, the most common output devices are monitor and printer. Monitor पे आप वैसे ही screen पे you can see the output, and if you want to take a hard copy you can take it through a printer. Third, if the electricity goes off, the UPS makes the computer work. The uninterrupted power supply. Uninterrupted का क्या मतलब बताया था? जिसको कोई disturb नहीं करे. Uninterrupted power supply. Fourth, the CPU works on the data according to the instructions. Of course, जो भी आप input दोगे आपका कंप्यूटर उसी को प्रोसेस करेगा एंड it shall give you an output accordingly, isn't it? Yes. B. Now state true or false. First is a computer can do many jobs at the same time. अरे हाँ, और क्या? This is the difference between human and computer, isn't it? You can listen to music, you can watch a movie, you can work on WordPad, whatever. It can do many jobs at the same time. So this is a statement which is true. Second, a laptop can be kept on our lap. Of course, and that is why it is called a laptop. लैपटॉप का क्या मतलब है भाई? लैप का क्या मतलब है? गोदी. आप मम्मा के लैप पे बैठते हो ना? So you can actually keep your laptop also. Hello, not you. Only mama, papa. You are not trained enough to handle a laptop all by yourself. You better keep it on the table and use it. So this is also a statement which is true. Third is CPU stands for Central Programming Unit. अच्छा, किसने बोला true? करूं पिट्टी? CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Programming नहीं बाबा, processing. आपने जो भी इंस्ट्रक्शंस दिए उसको प्रोसेस करना, उस पर काम करना. So this is false. Fourth is desktop is the first display screen on a computer. बिल्कुल सही. That's true. अच्छा, coming on to C. This used to be my favorite activity, while I was your age. To rearrange the jumbled words to form the parts of a computer. ये सारे कंप्यूटर के parts दिए हुए हैं. You just have to unjumble them. So the first is try. हाँ, बिल्कुल ठीक. Monitor. Second, printer. Third में ना दीपाली मैम भी थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूज हो गई थी, बट फिर आ गया. आपको भी आ जाएगा, करो ट्राई. कीबोर्ड, फिर माउस और लास्ट वाला माइक्रोफोन. आ गया. चलिए अब डी पे चलते हैं. मार्क द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स इन द करेक्ट ऑर्डर. स्टेटमेंट्स दिए हुए हैं आपको, उसके आगे सर्कल में यू हैव टू जॉट डाउन वेदर इट इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप, सेकेंड, थर्ड और द फोर्थ. वी ऑल नो दैट switch on the main power supply button, which is the third option, is the first doable to put on a computer. सबसे पहला स्टेप हमारा वही होता है. तो थर्ड स्टेटमेंट वुड बी नंबर 1. जब हमने मेन पावर सप्लाई बटन ऑन कर दिया तो सेकेंड हम यूपीएस बटन ऑन करते हैं, isn't it? So second is the last option, switch on the UPS button. फिर क्या करते हैं? सीपीयू ऑन करते हैं. कहाँ है सीपीयू? कहाँ है? द टॉप मोस्ट ऑप्शन विल बी द थर्ड पॉइंट एंड लास्ट विल बी टू स्विच ऑन द मॉनिटर बटन एंड वेट फॉर सम टाइम. टर्न ऑन द पेज बच्चा एंड वी कम ऑन टू पेज नंबर 40 which has A as choose the right answer. Which part of a computer works like a human brain? CPU. ये तो आता है. CPU is the brain of the computer ना? So that's the right answer. Second option. Which part of a computer is used to input the data? कौन से हैं options? Keyboard? Yes, it helps us to input the data. Second, mouse? Of course, it helps us to choose some selections, point at it. So the answer will be C. Both A and B, keyboard or mouse, both are input devices. Third, which device lets you make calls, send messages and store phone numbers? ये सब मेरे नोटिस को पता होगा. Of course, it is a smartphone, जिसके साथ आप सारा दिन रहते हो. अब तो सब परमिशन मिल गया बेबीज को. So B is the right option. Fourth, what do we call the bar that is placed at the bottom of the desktop? मुझे पता है, मैम के बताने से पहले ही सबने ऑप्शन बी टिक कर दिया. वेरी गुड, प्राउड ऑफ यू ऑल. अब इतनी बार रिवाइज करके all have become champions. Very nice. Wow, we had a good time completing all the exercises. I'm very sure that you are all going to remember whatever we have done. है ना, सब याद रखेंगे. अच्छा class, in the next session I shall be sharing some videos related to how should we start typing on WordPad. है ना, ये जैसे हम टाइप करते हैं A, B, C, D. No, that's not the correct way. So soon Dipali ma'am will be sending you a video which has some useful tips that you all should follow while start typing. And thank you to all those children who have shared their work with me. Oh, it was so lovely. I loved them all. Please do keep sending me your work. I am eagerly waiting to have the work of the entire class. ठीक है? See you.